Alright, in my last video, I wrote 3 questions in which I solved 2. So this is the last question, and we are going to see how we are going to solve this step by step. Alright, we have a cube has a dimension of 2 by 3 by 4. Now, sorry, a cuboid. Now we know that a cuboid is a 3-dimensional shape. It's a 3-dimensional shape. Now did I mention that scale the cuboid by 2 in scale the cuboid by 2 in the x direction. Now we have solution here. We have solution here, and they mention that a cuboid. Now if we want to draw a cuboid, now a cuboid looks like this. It's a 3-dimensional shape, something like this. We have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. This is a cuboid. Now the dimension that a cuboid has a dimension of 2 by 3 by 4. That's we want to write the volume of a cuboid, which is length times breadth times the height, something like this. This is the volume of the cuboid. So you can say what's my length, this is my length, this is my height, and this is my breadth, something like this. Now, the dimension that scale the cuboid by 2 in the x direction, 0.5 in the y direction, and 3 in the z direction. How are we going to do about this? Now, you remember that to get the new coordinate, which is x prime, is equals to the scale factor multiplied by x. Then also for y prime is equals to the scale factor multiplied by y. And for the third one, which is z prime, is equals to the scale factor of z multiplied by z. This is the formula we are going to use. So this will be equals to, now what's the scale factor of x? Now in this part here, they mention is that the scale the cuboid by 2 in the x direction, and 0.5 in the y direction, and 3 in the z direction. What are the new dimension? All right, we can see that x is the scale 2 is the scale factor of x. So you can see here, this is 2 times what's my x. All right, so we can say this is x, this is y, and this is z. All right, so we can also write the volume of a cuboid as x times y times z, like this too. All right, this is 2 times 2 times 2, which is my x here, 2 times 2 here. Sorry, here 2 times 2 will give me 4 here. So will give me 4. So next we can say the scale factor of y. What scale factor of y is mentioned here already? 0.5 is scale factor of y. So what is my scale factor? This is 0.5 multiplied by what is my y? My y is 2. Oh, my y is 3 rather. This is 3. So we have 0.5 times 3. That's 0.5 is 1 over 2 times 3. That's 3 over 2. That's the same thing as 1.5 in decimal point. Same as 1.5 in decimal point. So for z, scale factor, and they mention here that the scale factor is 3 for z direction. So we have 3. We have 3 multiplied by z. Z here is 4. We have 4 here. So this is because 3 times 4, which is 12. So the new coordinates, which is x prime, y prime, and z prime for the cuboid they mentioned earlier, this is equals to 4, 1.5, or if you want to write it fraction, you can also write it, and 12. So this is the answer for this for my last example question. All right, thank you very much.